Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco, and Porvorim.
MPA as they call, first it was MPT. They are found wanting for not even having those proper cranes in place where you can get the containers on and off the ship. So what type of logistics? We need to correct all this. We need to actually look at it very carefully. Milk, it comes from other states. Sometimes it is not the genuine milk, what people tell me, and it's a fact I'm telling you. Why we can't encourage our people to go on a larger scale to produce milk here and then have value addition, produce milk products which the world needs. This is what logistics is all about. This is what is building the logistics and further helping to store it in appropriate place with the cold chain, with the warehousing, etc., etc.